you can start doing some withdrawal with these type of monies. You can see I took out $1,000 right there, right? Took that money out. You see I took out another 1,000. There I received a 480. There I received 37 bucks, 52, even $959. So if you do this over a period of time, you can make a lot of money. Now, I'm going to share with you a website that you can go and start earning affiliates commissions just like this and put it into your bank account. So if this is your first time here to my YouTube channel, I want to say welcome. My name is Andre, and I create brand new videos like this. I create how to make money online, quick little tips, tricks, and things like that. So if you like these type of videos, don't forget to like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from as well, because I always want to know how far people around the world are watching my videos. So let's jump right into the main part of this video. Now, the first thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing affiliate marketing. And everybody know affiliate marketing is selling other people's products. Now, if you don't know about this website, and I've spoken about this website a few different times, this is Digistore 24. And the good thing about Digistore 24, they have a lot of different products that you can promote over here. So most people, the first thing that they do is they try to follow the crowd and they want to advertise what everybody else is advertising. And they just grab their affiliate link and they just go spam it all over Facebook. They post it in people's inbox. Then they get blocked. Then they complain saying, well, Andre, I can't make any money. Well, if you watch this video all the way to the end, maybe I can help you understand what it really gonna take to make this work. So if you skip through or you don't watch the entire video, well, just don't complain. So I'm gonna help you to understand what it's gonna take to start making money. So keep watching the video. So when you've identified whatever products or services that you want to promote, what do you wanna, you can promote this. It's like a tube mastery, monetization. If you want to say, all right, you know what? There's a lot of people right now that is looking for employment. So if you click on where it says job and employment, there's an ebook right here. There's an ebook that you can find. It's like 13 bucks. Here's another ebook. It's like $13, right? Now, you want to check these out and see if this will work for your particular audience. Now I'm going to tell you where you can find traffic source and where people are going to be hanging out that is going to be looking for exactly what you're trying to promote. Now, if you go into where it says green products and environment, if you click on this, you'll see that they will have different things that you can offer. There is right here, backyard resolution. This right here is a good product because it's a solar system panel, and everybody these days are trying to convert and go into solar. So this is a good product that you can promote. Here's another one as well, social media posts about sustainability project. Not sure about this one right here. Not too keen on that. But this one that says how to save money by living more environmentally friendly. So if you like the environmental stuff, you want to reduce weight, now you can go in here, right? What if you want to get into the fitness and health? So the fitness and health, once you pull up the fitness and health, you'll see that there are a lot of other products that you can promote, right? So this one is the ultimate meal plan for keto. Now what you could do is you want to click on this and you want to grab your affiliate link. After you grab your affiliate link, the next thing we want to do, we want to use a link shortener. Now we can use bit.ly, or we can use another one that is called Beacon, right? So I'm going to show you. So Beacon page, you can create a Beacon page just like this. So it is the same, it's just like bit.ly, but it's Beacon. Most people are getting good results and not getting blocked with Beacon. So if I were you, I'll definitely check out Beacon. It is free. You can just click on here. You can get started, create your account, and then you can add your affiliate link. So for those of you who want to use bit.ly, same thing, bit.ly.com. You just go over here and you can just click on where it says create. Once you click on create, you want to enter your long URL. So that's a URL that we just grabbed. Once you do that, then what's going to happen is you can click on this where it says create. Now, if you want to, you can add on the end of it, right? And you can add a domain if you want to. They're really stepping up their game lately. So you can put a domain, you can put a source. So let's say you could say, okay, Facebook, right? You can put that on there. You can put the Facebook source on there. So that way you can track these things. And it is optional. You know, these are like UTMs that can help you to track where your traffic is coming from. So if your source, you could say that, hey, it's coming from Facebook, what medium, okay, it's an email, or what campaign. Now, you don't need to get all fancy dancy and stuff like that. All you got to do is just click on create and just let it do its work, right? Clearly, you just copy this link right here. And once you copy the link, after you copy this link right here, the next thing we want to do is we want to advertise it and put it in front of the people that is willing to buy what you're selling. So let me go back again. You want to go to Bitly. No, you want to go to Digistore24, sign up for an account. It's absolutely free. Once you sign up for the account, you can find whatever products or services that you want to promote. Once you do that, you want to copy the link. So whether you want to copy a keto link, you want to copy this keto book link, or whatever it is, right? Just copy the link. And then once you do that, right, even this one, that says Metacore. The earnings right here is over $700. If somebody signed up for this, one sale and you're good for the rest of the week. It is the number one on the platform and it's selling like hotcakes. So if you want to go promote that as well, likewise, copy the link, right? Copy your affiliate link, go to Bitly, go over to Bitly, click on here where it says create, paste your link, click on the create tab. Once you get it, now it's time for promotion. Now we're gonna head on over to a place that has been working and you can get a lot of traffic over here. So you want to go to forum, findaforum.com. So go findaforum.com. No, sorry, findaforum.net. I apologize. So findaforum.net. Over here, you could see that there's a lot of different categories you can choose from. If you want to explore forums, you can go with the biggest forums, the newest forums, top forums, the latest forums, all that. If you want to go forum on niche base, you can do that also. So let's say we're going into the health niche, right? We're going into the health, so not mental health, but the health niche, right? Diet and weight loss. Boom, click on that. Once you click on it, you will see that there's different forums that are popping up here that you can go and you can start to be in a discussion. 3 fat chicks on a diet. Now, weight loss forum, active low, minimums, weight loss. There's weight loss support group, low carb friends, fast diet. So what you want to do, you want to make sure that you do your research on whatever product that you're going to be promoting. A lot of times people just grab an affiliate link. They don't know exactly what this product does, but they just go into groups and they just start posting. You don't want that, right? Now, what you want to do is you want to go over to the, I'm all over the place. I apologize for that. You want to go over to the forums. So let's say the product that you do find is a weight loss diet forum. Let's click on that. Now, once we click on it, you'll see that over here, this is ranked 861 out of 1,700 forums. So there's so many people over here, or, you could visit the forum by clicking on it. And once you click on the forum, it's going to take you right here where you're going to see all these people. Look at that. All these people are posting. They even have weight loss products and supplements over here as well. So weight loss information. Let's click on one of them and see what we have. All right. So let's click on this. And once you click on it, you see where it says new user. And this user right here, what he's doing, or her, they're just posting information on here. So if you click on this, you'll see that, hey everyone, I'm new here, glad to be a part of this community, weight loss. Hi, it's been a while. You picked a good forum to learn from and sharing ideas, yada, 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 right? So you can create a post on these forums. Now, you're not going to just slap your affiliate link on here, but what you want to do, you want to build that connection, build that rapport. You can then tell people, hey, I also post a lot of cool stuff on my Instagram account. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, here's my Instagram account. Bada bing, bada boom. So many people oftentimes, it's the first thing that they do. They get so excited, they just want to post links and spam all over the place. And then they're going to get kicked out. So you want to build the relationship. Why should this person buy? So sometimes it will take you a little bit of time to get going. But if you build that relationship and you stay on this forum over time, I could tell you right now, you can make good money doing this. You can make good money. You can start helping yourself and help your family. So I hope this video helped. I didn't want to make it too long, but I just, sorry if I babbled a few different times. It's kind of late. I'm shooting this video, but I wanted to make a video before I go to bed. So I appreciate you. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.